I'm Jerica.
Welcome to a little lab.
What are we going to do today?
Get slime! I'm at Starbucks. Let's go to Dollar General.
First, let's go to Starbucks. Come on, let's go. You excited?
Yeah.
What are you going to get, Skylar?
I'm going to get a drink.
Major?
Drink. There's Jerica's sign. Oh, and it's raining. It just already rained. It was just stopping a minute ago, but now it's not. You shouldn't go fast. And our mom is driving while we're going to Starbucks, and then when we're done with our Starbucks, and then we're going to Dollar General, but we can't take out in because that's bad. So we're gonna just have to come back home. No. It says actually no. We can't shout out all the things that we're getting from the store. But when we get back home, we'll show you how to make it. We need But first, we're gonna go get drinks for the girls. And we're gonna have a girl party in the car. And if you haven't seen our other video, just go watch it. And it's gonna be right now, and it just came here now. And make sure to comment down below which video do you like more. We got a cake pop. Mine's just chocolate. Mine's just birthday cake. And we're gonna try what it tastes like. I'm gonna take a bite. Inside is chocolate. It's cake. It's yummy. It's chocolate. And you can ask your mom if you can get a Starbucks. Sure, yeah. And my sister's gonna try it. And she said it's yummy. Taste mine. We're back! What do we need to make slime with, Jerica?
Well, we have white glue, clear glue, color changing glue, and the magical liquid that will make the slime.
That's activator.
Anyways, let's get started.
Yay! Okay. So glue.
First, you're going to want to start
With
by
glue.
pouring
The
your glue into your bowl.
Just a little bit. Whoa. That's enough.
And I'm going to use the color changing glue.
And I'm gonna use.
Not yet.
Ew.
And no,
It will change into purple.
in the sunlight.
Yeah. Ew.
It's making farting sound.
It does make farting sounds. Close the glue box. Let's close it up.
And next, you're gonna want to use
Activator.
your magic liquid, which I've pre-opened.
Can I pour it?
You don't want a hard slime. So for this
I
one,
got it.
no,
Pour a
Drew.
little.
You're gonna pour
A little.
a
The tiny bit.
Wait, and that's enough.
Okay. Now, what are we gonna do next? I only have a little bit of that. I can make it big. Wait, what? Mine's a drop, please.
Now you're gonna want to use your hands and mix it. It's gonna be sticky for a while,
Okay.
but it'll become slime.
Okay.
Now, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Ew, it's sticky. It feels so weird. It's sticky.
Mix it up.
It's
It'll become slime. You keep mixing.
Mine's already almost turning to slime. So why? It's
That's
sticky.
good. Now, if you need any more of the magic liquid, let me know.
Okay.
You
Our
wanna
hands are
keep
sticky.
mixing.
Our slime's so sticky. Look at my hand. Look at the slime. Look at my slime.
You want to keep it all over your hands because we don't want to make a mess. Here you go.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you. I need to get some more. Get it out. Look at this, guys. This is so cool. You got them on the table. Oh. Is my slime look pretty? Yeah, we're gonna make it so pretty. What are we gonna do with our hands sticky?
Nah.
Can you put me more?
Okay.
Ew, sticky.
I mean, I have less to yarn on.
It's so weird now.
It should be becoming slime.
I need a spoon. Look at this, guys.
Because you don't want it to be stuck to the spoon.
Oh.
Oops.
Don't rub it into your skin because your skin will be sticky. Yeah, I just want to scratch my face. But you can't because your eye will be burning.
See? You made slime.
Look, slime. Look. Is it done mixing?
Can you pick it up with your hands?
I need more of that. I don't know why I did this.
You don't, but okay.
Mommy, my slime look joggly. Look at my hands, Mama. They're sticky. I think mine is almost turning to slime. So mine.
Yeah, mine already is slime.
Mine is almost clean. Is mine slime now?
Yeah.
It's coming off.
Oh, make sure to clean your hands up.
With the slime, it's so cool. How's yours not sticky? Because slime does.
Because you're not mixing yours, Drew.
I think I need to get some more. Slime is my favorite. I know, Gigi. No, I'm talking to the camera. Just grab out all those pieces. Right here. Guys, look at my hands. They're like spooky. Let's see if we can make a sound.
What?
Mine's like hands spooky.
This is super stretchy like slime.
Yours?
Yeah. Do you need help?
Can I feel yours? Me?
No, you gotta finish yours first.
Okay.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Yours seems to be slime already. It's all noodly.
It's nudie.
Get it off your hands. And Skylar, whoa!
Wow, you have a lot. Yeah, I have a 13. Slime popcorn. Hey, that was good. Can I make a bubble?
Well, can you?
Yeah. And more activators. Look at the bubbles. That was fun, Jerica. That was fun, Jerica. If you want to see more videos, go watch them. And we are going to say goodbye. Give us a big thumbs up and hit that bell, subscribe. Bye. Bye.